for watching this new episode of Cooking with Chris. Today is a user requested. What I'm going to be doing is making a easy beef gyro. This is not like a traditional gyro. It is Americanized, I would say. But it is a very easy recipe and shouldn't take very long to make. So, with that, let's see what we need for ingredients. Okay, everybody. First step in this recipe is going to be to make the yogurt sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to have to start by skinning and chopping this up and go from there. So, let's get peeling. Okay, once you've got your cucumber skinned, you're going to have to chop it up nice and fine. So, what you're going to have after you're done is about, you might have a little bit more, but what you need is about 1/3 a cup of diced cucumber. And what we'll do next is we'll move on to the rest of the recipe for the sauce. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to take 2/3 a cup of the yogurt. Just dump it into a little bowl. Make sure you get as much of it as you can. Okay. If any of you have ever used yogurt before in cooking, Greek yogurt is a little thicker than the most. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your celery, not your celery, I mean your cucumber, drop that right in. And then what else you're going to add to this is you are going to use your garlic press and press a few of these little things right into it. You're going to mix in 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. If you're like me and you don't like chopping onions, you can go to most grocery stores and you can actually pick up pre-chopped onions, which is what I did. And let's see. So go 1, 2, 3. And then what else you're going to add to this is 2 teaspoons of parsley. Well, I couldn't find any real parsley, any fresh, so I had to get the old standby. I had to get the flakes. So I'm not sure how well this is going to work. So 1, 2. And then what you're going to do is you're going to mix this all up. Now, depending on how much liquid is in it, one of my suggestions my mother made for doing this is to dump it into a piece of cheesecloth and let it hang in the sink so the liquid runs off. But I don't think this is going to have too much liquid in it. So there you go. The sauce is done. Okay, everybody. What we got to do is we have to do a lightly slice the tomato. Thinly slice it. So, probably the easiest way to do that would be just to I don't know how many of you out there are fans of tomato, but I'm not. Okay, everybody. Last part of this is going to be the somewhat easiest. What you're going to do is mix of, let's see, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. I added a little bit of crushed red pepper in there, just to give it a little kick. I made a mistake when making the sauce. You're supposed to add the garlic to this, not the sauce. What I will do is I will also post a link to this recipe so you all can see it. And then what we're going to do is just going to dump our spices into the meat and just mix it around. What you want to do is make, well, for me it's going to be 12 patties. Trying to make them as evenly as possible. It says to make them in about 2-inch diameter. So, and what you want to do is, depending on how many pitas you have, me I have 6, so I'm only going to be making 12 of these. And then what you're going to do is, once you get them made, you're going to put them on your broiler pan. So pretty much what you want to do is just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So let's keep going. Okay, everybody, now here we go. What we're going to do here is you're going to take your pita. You might want to put them in the microwave for like 30 or 40 seconds. And you're going to take 2 of your little burgers, a little bit of the sauce, and tomato, a couple of them if you want, and you're just going to fold it up. And then, let's try this out. Not bad at all. Actually quite good. So that is how you make a easy beef gyro. What I will do is I will post the